Excuse me, is this free?
Yes, please sit.
Thank you so much.
No problem at all.
It is busy today.
Yes, very busy.
Do you come here often?
Yes, every morning.
Me too, actually.
Really? Strange we never met.
I usually sit outside.
Ah, I see.
What are you drinking?
Black coffee, no sugar.
I love black coffee.
Best drink ever.
Totally agree.
Are you ordering now?
Yes, in a minute.
The espresso is great here.
Good to know.
Try it. You'll love it.
Okay, I will.
You won't regret it.
My name is Sam.
Nice to meet you. Dan.
Cool name, Dan.
Thanks, Sam.
Do you work nearby?
Yes, just across.
Which company?
A tech startup.
Oh, sounds interesting.
Yes, I love it.
What do you do?
I am a developer.
Really? That is cool.
What about you?
I'm a designer.
Oh, we could work together.
Ha, maybe someday.
You never know.
Do you like your job?
Yes, very much.
How long working there?
About 2 years?
Do you like coding?
Yes, it is fun.
I could never code.
It is not so hard.
Really? Teach me.
Maybe someday.
Deal.
Deal.
Is the Wi-Fi good here?
Yes, very fast.
Password?
On the menu card.
Oh, I see it.
Works great, no problems.
Do you work from here?
Sometimes, yes.
Me too, often.
Good spot for working.
Quiet and comfortable.
And great coffee.
Most important thing.
Absolutely.
Do you eat breakfast here?
Yes, the croissants are amazing.
I love croissants.
Try the almond one.
Oh, yes, please.
You will not stop.
That sounds dangerous.
Ha! Very dangerous.
Are you from here?
No, from Boston.
Boston is great.
Yes, I miss it.
When did you move?
3 years ago.
Do you like it here?
Yes, love it now.
Me too, great city.
Best decision ever.
Do you have family here?
No, just friends.
Friends or family?
Exactly right.
Do you have many friends?
Some good ones, yes.
Quality over quantity.
Totally agree.
Do you go out often?
On weekends, yes.
Cafes or restaurants?
Both depends on mood.
Same here.
We have similar taste.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I play tennis.
Tennis is great.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I run every day.
Morning or evening?
Early morning, yes.
That is very healthy.
I feel great after.
Maybe I should try.
Yes, start tomorrow.
Ha, maybe next week.
Are you from here?
No, from Boston.
Do you like reading?
Yes, every evening.
What do you read?
Technology and science.
Interesting topics.
What about you?
I read about design.
Makes sense for you.
Yes, always learning.
That is the right attitude.
Do you have hobbies?
Yes, I love photography.
Really? That is cool.
I take photos everywhere.
Show me sometime.
Yes, with pleasure.
This coffee is cold now.
Ha! We talk too much.
Worth it though.
Definitely worth it.
Good to meet you, Dan.
You too, Sam.
Same time tomorrow?
Yes, same table.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, take care.